Every giant cruise ship begins as thousands of tons of raw steel inside one of the world's largest shipyards.
Building a floating city requires precision engineering, advanced technology, and thousands of skilled professionals.
From raw steel to a luxurious floating city, every stage is carefully designed and engineered to perfection. Before construction begins, every steel component is carefully inspected to ensure maximum strength, precision, and safety. Some cruise ships are longer than skyscrapers are tall, making them among the largest moving structures ever built. Let's begin where every giant cruise ship starts, with thousands of tons of raw materials arriving at the shipyard. Advanced CNC cutting systems shape massive steel plates into components that will form the ship's enormous structure. Today, we'll explore every major stage of modern cruise ship construction, from the first steel plate to the final sea trial. Thousands of precision welds permanently connect the steel structure, creating the massive hull blocks that form the foundation of the ship.
Some ship sections weigh hundreds of tons and must be positioned with incredible precision using giant gantry cranes.
Inside the dry dock, each massive section is aligned with millimeter-level accuracy to create the enormous hull of the cruise ship. With the main hull complete, enormous passenger decks are added one level at a time, transforming the structure into a floating city. Before luxury interiors can be installed, thousands of structural components are carefully assembled inside the ship.
Modern cruise ships rely on advanced vertical transportation systems to move thousands of passengers efficiently. Deep inside the vessel, powerful marine engines provide the energy required to move this floating city across the world. The propulsion system converts engine power into the thrust needed to move one of the largest ships ever built. Thousands of pipes and utility systems are installed to support every essential function of life aboard the ship.
More than 1,000 kilometers of electrical wiring power every system on board, from navigation equipment to luxury guest suites. The bridge serves as the ship's command center, combining advanced navigation technology with precision engineering. Thousands of luxury cabins are carefully assembled to provide comfort, safety, and breathtaking ocean views. The grand atrium becomes the heart of the cruise ship, welcoming thousands of guests with stunning architecture. World-class restaurants and professional kitchens are designed to serve thousands of guests every single day. The upper decks transform into a complete luxury resort, offering entertainment and relaxation for passengers of all ages. Hundreds of panoramic windows and private balconies are installed to provide breathtaking ocean views while meeting strict marine safety standards. Passenger safety is a top priority, with every emergency system carefully installed and thoroughly tested. Advanced protective coatings help preserve the ship against salt water, harsh weather, and years of continuous operation. Before launch, thousands of inspections ensure every system meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. Every engine and onboard system is carefully tested before the ship is cleared for open water trials. After years of construction, the completed cruise ship prepares for one of its most important milestones, its first launch into the water. For the first time, the completed cruise ship touches open water, marking the beginning of its final testing phase.
Sea trials verify every major system under real operating conditions before the ship is approved for passenger service.
Every engine is pushed through demanding performance tests to ensure reliability during long ocean voyages. Navigation and steering systems are tested extensively to guarantee safe operation in every condition. Every passenger space undergoes detailed inspections to ensure the highest standards of comfort, safety, and luxury. After successfully completing every inspection and sea trial, the ship receives final certification for commercial service. After years of design, engineering, and construction, the cruise ship is finally ready to welcome its very first passengers. The maiden voyage marks the beginning of countless unforgettable journeys across the world's oceans. What began as raw steel has become a floating destination where engineering meets hospitality. Built with precision and designed for exploration, the ship is ready to connect people with destinations around the world. From thousands of tons of steel to a floating city of luxury, this remarkable engineering journey is now complete.